So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, ma'am. And you? Thank you for asking me.
Yes, I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Yeah, but feeling little bit drowsy today because yesterday I slept very late because of Janmashtami festival. So that's why.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So,
Okay.
ma'am, first of all, we are meeting first time. Then, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, sure. My name is Sanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have completed my engineering in IT stream and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube too. And if I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
That's great, ma'am. So, ma'am, can I introduce myself?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Ma'am, my name is Avanish Kumar. I am from UP. The district's name is Balia. Currently, I am doing a diploma in computer science engineering also.
Okay.
And apart from this, I am running my YouTube channels, whose name is Avnish K Class. This YouTube channel is educational YouTube channel. So I running my YouTube channels, and I have 7 member in my family, and that's all about me.
Okay. So you are doing diploma in computer science, right?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
So in which year you are?
Ma'am, this I have promoted. I am gone on in second year.
Second.
I have completed first year totally.
Okay, that sounds great. So you must
Yeah,
have the
yeah,
same like same domain as me because I am also a software engineer and I have done my engineering in the same stream. You can.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. So that's great. So, ma'am, in you are doing job. I think.
Mhm.
Are you doing
Yes,
job, ma'am?
yes.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am. So, how many days before you are doing job?
How many years?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's about to complete 5 years.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
great. So, ma'am, please suggest me what to do after doing diploma because you are all know about this.
Yes. Definitely, I can give some suggestion. As you are, doing your graduation in computer science, so we already have so many, vacancies and opportunities in CS branch. But for that, you have to good technical and soft skills both. If I'll talk about me, so in my time, I have faced a lot of challenges because of my communication and this confidence level. I have observed that in interviews, I got rejected in many interviews just because of my communication skills. Because sometimes it happens, we have enough knowledge, but we are not able to express those things in a proper way. So that time I was not good at English language, so that's why I faced a lot of challenges. So I would suggest you that you should focus on both the things. Sometimes we neglect our communication skills, soft skills. So you have to work on both the things, and yeah, work hard on your technical skills too, because there are a lot of opportunities. But if the other person is very good at technical skills as compared to you, so definitely they will hire them only, right?
Yes, yes,
So so
yeah, yeah.
yeah, so we have to work hard on ourselves, then only we can get the success.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for suggesting me, ma'am. So, ma'am, uh, uh, I have one question. What's the purpose of your making conversation video? I think, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have. Okay, so to be honest, when I started my channel, so that time I just started to build my confidence level because I was very shy and introvert girl. So I thought if I'll shoot videos and if I'll face camera, so maybe I can build my confidence. because I'm working from home, so I'm not getting physical environment to build my confidence level. So I just
Yes, yes,
decided to shoot videos so that I can build my confidence level. And yeah, just for this thinking only, I started my channel. And yeah, I started with mathematics first and shifted to English language, because now that English is very important, especially in our career as well. So that's
yes.
why I can say that I shifted to English language.
Yes, ma'am. In regarding to my YouTube channels, when I was started my YouTube channels 3 years ago, I started I make video for conversation. So, ma'am, I told you
Hmm.
when I was started my YouTube journey in 3 years ago, I make video simple. We started English video because I was weak in my English. So I think when I was teaching English, then I will improve myself. So I
Hmm.
think and now I think I don't have time because because I not living at my home, but but this times I'm at my home because my college is a government college. I live at my college in my hostel. So my college is in Jhansi.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am. So that's all.
Okay, so you are living in hostel right now.
No, this time I am not living at my hostel. I came at my home.
Mhm.
I will go. I will go college. I think 5 days after.
After 5 days. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so how's your hostel life? Can you share your little bit journey about your
Yes.
hostel life?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. My hostel life is very good. So fantastic because there are so many, lots of friends with me.
Mhm.
Because when I was go in first times in my hostel, I don't imagine what happened. When I want when I was go there, I don't believe. But there was senior and also teacher is very fantastic, very good teachers. They help a lot, and seniors is helping me a lot. And when I was the first time go in my hostels, then senior with my seniors we go at market. He he saw many computer related shops and market because I was go in first times in this
Mhm.
area. So that's why they help a lot. And in my hostel life there is a mess and one in my room there are three people are three students. Yeah, my friends we live
Mhm.
each other. Uh, they are help a lot because when we live in hostels, if you have any problems, you can talk with friends and solve the problems. So there is no any there is no problem in my hostel.
Yes, yes. I have heard that hostel life is, fantastic, because, we get a lot of chance to learn so many things from the other people. Like, you are living with your juniors, your senior, your roommates. So, like, we share each and everything with each others. Like, we have senior also, so we get some guidance too. So yeah, like, I didn't get chance because I have done my graduation in my hometown itself. So yeah, but joining when I got job, so that time I shifted to another city. So I was living in PG. So that time I got some idea, like, yes, hostel life is like this. People live like together and doing such kind of stuff. Sometimes roaming, sometimes studying. So there are so many things. So yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. So firstly, when I was going hostel, I don't any idea how to make friends. But
Yeah.
I was going first time, uh, I don't know how friends meet me.
Yeah, it was your first experience. So yeah, but you must have learned so many things now. Like, you already completed 1 years, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so how's the food there? Food.
Food is good, ma'am. Food is good.
Good.
Sometimes some problems
Mhm.
in my hostel because generally in hostel life food is no good sometimes, but other times they are good. So because when in mess who made the food, we said brother bhaiya in Hindi. We
Mhm.
said
Yes.
they're good because there in my college there are two hostel, one girl hostel and one boy hostel. So, but
Mhm.
girls is there are no there are not so girl, so that's why in two hostel there are two hostels, in both hostels so there are all age boys living in hostels. So
Mhm.
um, then in my hostel is first hostel, so there are uh, um, in my hostel is up rooms and down rooms, you can say, do tala, and we live
Two
in
floor.
first, yeah, first floor.
Mhm.
Then we talk with the family members of mess, family members of mess. They
Mhm.
help me just like a family.
Yeah, yeah. That's the good experience actually, because when we shift to another city or maybe living far from our parents, so we need someone's help also. And if we are getting such kind of opportunities and people are just caring like our parents, so we get happiness also, because sometimes we miss our homemade food. Sometimes we miss our parents also, like we are living far from them. So that's why.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
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 it's
ma'am.
good to hear that you are getting this kind of chance. Like they are treating you like family members, so that's good.
So ma'am,
Okay.
tell me about your YouTube channels. So what the name of your YouTube channels, and what video on upload your YouTube channels, which type of video?
Okay, so it's all about English content, and to be honest, nowadays I'm just uploading conversational videos only because of lack of time.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to do lot of things, but because of time, I'm not able to do so. So you can say that it's all about conversational as of now, and sometimes I upload solo videos also on some other topics. And if I'll talk about my channel, so when I had started my channel, so that time I was not doing such kind of conversational videos. But after some months, you can say like 6 months, I started this kind of conversational videos. And yeah, it is going well for now. And I'm also enjoying, because it's no matter that I'm doing great on YouTube or not, but at least I'm getting chance to improve myself a lot,
Yes.
because when we talk with co-learners, sometimes a very good speaker also, so that's the plus point for me, that yeah, I'm getting some benefit.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. So what's the name of your YouTube channel, ma'am?
Yeah, it's Learn English with Tannu.
Mm, okay, ma'am, that's great.
Yeah.
So if you have any question, then please ask me, ma'am.
Okay, so like, are you doing anything else for improving your communication apart from this speaking?
Uh, no, yes, ma'am. I reading books and listening music, because some before times I did not listen any music, but I want to improve my English, so I listen. You have to listen music and storybook,
Mhm.
audio book. So then I think I have to listen music. Then I study. I listening music, audio books. Yeah,
Okay,
and also reading books
mm-hmm. That's
daily.
good, because listening is very much important. Because of that, we get lot of things to learn, especially sentence structure. And I wanna give you one feedback. Like sometimes you are making so many mistakes in your sentence structure. So
Yeah, yeah,
whenever you are listening something, so just try to listen it carefully, like with attention, like how they are making the sentences, how they are using the helping verb. Like in this way, you can get the ideas, like proper sentence structure. Okay, so you can do this kind of practice, and yeah, just try to speak more and more so that you can, reduce your mistakes too.
Okay.
Yeah. So anything else you wanna ask or anything, or shall we wrap up?
No, ma'am, I think I have to wrap up the session.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I have also work, so that's why. If we will get chance again, so we'll meet again. Thank you.
Okay, okay, ma'am. We will meet.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you so much
Bye,
for
ma'am.
your time. Bye bye.
Yeah.